Wake up to the morning sun, shining so bright.
We all know Bob Marley. He was an amazing artist that made a lot of banger reggae tracks back in the day. And you know what? Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own reggae music with AI in order to make your own reggae music channel. Why does this work? Well, people love reggae, and as we've inspected the lo-fi channel niche earlier, it is really lucrative and popular. So, are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Go to ChatGPT and write, "Hey, I want to make a Reggae AI channel with Reggae AI music. Please give me the lyrics for the first track." That is amazing. Let's copy it. And now we are going to Suno. Here we can create music for free with AI, an AI music generator, so to say. Go to Create, and now paste the lyrics there like this. Now we need to enter the style of music in which it should generate the song. So we are going to ask ChatGPT, please give me the style of music in short keywords. Now copy that and add it like this. Okay, now enter the song title and then hit Create. Now there are 2 tracks being generated. After a few seconds, you can already listen to the first one.
Wake up to the morning sun, shining so bright. Feel the rhythm of the world, everything's alright. The breeze it sings, the trees they sway, a brand new chance for a brighter day. Rise up, let your spirit flow. Feel the reggae rhythm, let your soul glow. One love, one heart, we're moving as one. Together we shine like the morning sun.
That sounds just amazing. Let's listen to the second one.
Wake up to the morning sun, shining so bright. Feel the rhythm of the world, everything's alright. The breeze it sings, the trees they sway. Oh, a brand new chance for a brighter day. Ooh, oh, yeah. Oh. Rise up, let your spirit flow.
Not bad, but let's go for the first one. Simply download the one you like most, or download both, who cares? Now we want an image that should represent the song. We are going to use the AI image generator called Leonardo AI. It is amazing and good, trust me. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask for the image prompt like this. Please give me an image prompt in text form to illustrate this song in one image. Copy the prompt and add it to Leonardo AI. Make sure your aspect ratio is 16:9 and then press Generate. There it is. Marvelous. Download the one you like most. Now we are going to bring everything together in CapCut. Just add it there like this. If you want, you can add some nice effects and animations like this. And also, you could consider adding a text template like this. Let's also add this effect. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own reggae music with AI in order to make your own reggae music channel. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Wake up to the morning sun, shining so bright. Feel the rhythm of the world, everything's alright. The breeze it sings, the trees they sway, a brand new chance for a brighter day. Rise up, let your spirit flow. Feel the reggae rhythm, let your soul glow. One love, one heart, we're moving as one. Together we shine like the morning sun. From Kingston town to a far-off shore, the heartbeat of the people is what we adore. No matter the color, no matter the creed, the roots of reggae plant unity's seed. Rise up, let your spirit flow. Feel the reggae rhythm, let your soul glow. One love, one heart, we're moving as one. Together we shine like the morning sun. Feel the bass line deep in your chest. The drum beat guides us, it knows what's best. Guitar skanks and the keys so sweet, a reggae rhythm that can't be beat. So rise up now, let your voice be heard. Spread the message, every single word. One world, one love, this is our song. In the heart of reggae we all belong.